you're going to the top and you have no time to stop, then you'll have to travel light. Yes, you better go by night, cause it's not a pretty sight when you're going to the top and you're never going to stop. You won't let nobody block your way to the top. And though bodies they may fall, old friends up against the wall, can't let feelings in the way, as if you had some anyway. Some will have to move aside, true intent you'll always hide. Wagging tongues may call you snide, you may not know who's on your side when you're